guys, it's been probably about a half an hour. I forgot about it, but we have no draw, 10 milliamps. Kind of wish that this had like a yeah, this meter doesn't have any other options. But yeah, I'm not seeing a draw. So we'll let this sit here more, see if it does anything, but I don't think we have a draw. I think our whole issue is, I think our entire issue was something was in a logic issue. Okay, so this actually goes to a junction connect. No wait, that ain't it. Oh yeah. Oh wait, I'm under the luxury. Let's go back up. It's supposed to be a 15 amp. According to this. And that says junction connector. And this just comes down and goes to the radio. I wonder if that junction connector is not used. S9. Let's go to power distribution. Wiring. System. Power distribution. See where our audio fuse is. Oh, there it is, 10 or 15. So that comes down, goes to the radio or the vehicle communication interface module. So we'll have to see where that module's at. Passenger door. Let's see where our vehicle communication interface module is. Component location. Vehicle behind right strut. Behind rear compartment behind right strut. Maybe we'll pop the trunk and we'll check that. Hey guys, I'm gonna flip the switch here so it bypasses my meter. Actually goes to the meter and the switch, I think, at the same time. So we're gonna just turn a key on real quick. I was hoping to pop the trunk. Oh, window works now. Let's see if this thing goes to sleep now. I was really hoping to get this trunk popped, because we need to know if it's a vehicle interface module. Did I blow my fuses? Oh man, I think I blew my fuses. That sucks. Now let me connect this battery back up. And we'll check, because this has fuses in here to protect everything. So we'll connect this battery back up. We'll see if we can get this trunk to pop. It might have been too much current. Okay, we got the car. Okay, so right there is our emergency latch. Right here, had a Okay guys, so here's the emergency release right here. Just pull this. And then I took the panel off right here, this back panel. And then here's our vehicle communication interface module. So I'm going to connect this all back up. Kick my meter and everything back up. And then we'll check for a draw. Okay guys, so you can see right there's our draw right now, because I just connected everything up. My lights are on. So I gotta get this trunk closed, because our trunk light and our dome lights are on. Okay guys, that's off. We got 1.3 amps right now, so our compressor's on. No light in here. So this should start dropping pretty soon. There it goes. Look at that. It just dropped on us. That's awesome. Guess I gotta get a new battery for it because my battery light's on. And then this should drop down to like nothing. Stop the recording. There we go. 0.99. Let's see if it'll go any lower. Probably take a couple minutes to go a little lower, and then we can put our fuse back in, and we'll see what our draw is. GMs usually don't take long. It's usually like 2 or 3 minutes. For a lot of them, they go to sleep. So let this go. I'll come back in a couple minutes. Okay guys, so we don't even have a draw anymore. Oh man, this is interesting. So once we took the fuse out, it reset whatever it was that was causing our draw. So I flip this over. Let's see. What's our draw at right now? 0.9. And if I flip this, it'll probably still be 0.9. I just want to make sure that the line is on. Yeah, because now it's at 0. Because I flipped that. So, I don't know what else to do. I can put this back together, I guess. I just wonder if it was the vehicle communication interface module interfering with everything. Our draw has like pretty much vanished according to this. Let's try waking this car back up again. Let's turn our ignition on. Get our radio to power up. Shut it off. Why did the radio shut off so quick that time? We are on. And this one on? Oh, this one wasn't on. Our wipers went on automatically then. Should have been off. Well, our radios. Is it because our door's open? I'm afraid the radio would stay on, but maybe it's because the door's open. The only other thing could be is like, is one of our door locks not, maybe one of our door locks is not closing correctly when I close the doors. But maybe it's not responding to the door closing. Let's lift this one up. Actually, we can take this out of the car. There we go, so we close the door. Our lights are still on. Might be a delay. It is going down. Okay guys, so after sitting here for like, I don't know, 2 hours now, no draw. No draw at all. Say none. Flip my switch, nothing. So now if we come over and open this door, everything should wake up. Yep, see that? Everything woke up. Lights flashing. Our dome light didn't wake up. So that does work. Press the button. Yeah, so there's the house wire. So I hope you guys like this one. I think they're gonna probably want me to fix this. So if they do, I'll add that onto the video. If not, see you guys later. This car's been sitting outside for like 3 days now. Let's see if it starts or if it died. Look at that. And the radio turns on. Let's back this out. I'm gonna put it inside. We're gonna put a new coolant reservoir in and pressurize the system. So let's get this inside. I'm glad it started though. Look at this, guys. This is why there's so much water in the back. The sunroof is loose. I'll quick tighten this up for him. You just come in here and you'll see this slot. See, it just needs to be pushed back in place and tightened up, both sides. Look at this, guys. They just twisted the wires together. Just twisted them. Remember when I said it looked like house wire? Well, one, I think they both are actually house wire, but one's solid wire. Solid wire. You don't use solid wire on cars because it flexes and vibrates and then it breaks. Okay, guys, I soldered it the best I can. It's really hard with this real heavy wire. So we got to solder. There's a lot of solder in there, so I'm not worried about a bad connection. I'm gonna put some liquid electrical tape on it, let it dry. Okay, guys, I got them soldered. I'm gonna put liquid electrical tape on them now. So, look at this, guys. They put a clip to hold the wires in place. I went to pull them through the firewall because I didn't see the clip there at first. So I'm going to try to pull these wires out, and then we got to fix this wiper. And I hooked it up to the coolant reservoir, so we filled the reservoir with smoke, our new one. Look at this. So I came over here, and you can see our electric water pump is leaking. So we need an electric water pump before I fill this with coolant. So let me get that quick. First, let me talk to the customer, and we'll see. Hey guys, we're back with the Cadillac. I got it back together. We're up to 186 degrees or so. It's been running for 12 minutes. So I'm happy with that 12 minutes to warm up at Autel. It's pretty good. Let me see if this hose feels warm. Oh yeah, this hose is warm. So we got coolant flow coming out of our thermostat. I got it all back together. Had to put a new pipe in. I'll show you guys the pipe. Somebody broke the ear off here, and then I broke this little piece off. There's just a little tab left, and then I tried to use pliers to rotate this out. It wouldn't rotate out, so then I had to get a pry bar that I could hammer on to go down inside the intake and hammer this over. So I got all new ones on there. I got some photos. I'll try to add the photos in here if I remember. Yeah, so have it running. Have to get the rest of the stuff put back on tomorrow, but at least this thing is running. Okay guys, had the car running for almost 17 minutes now. It's at 195. I just pulled it outside. I'm gonna go home for the night. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning, and we'll let this run tomorrow during the day. See how it runs. I think we'll be fine, and then maybe we'll take it for a test drive. Just gotta clean up some of the wiring yet and put the wipers and everything on. Okay, so we had the car running out here today for, I don't know, what's it been, like 30 minutes? 40 minutes? I just opened the hood. I want to see if this valve moves for a heater. I think it moves. So I'm going to open this, or turn the heater on and see if that gets pulled in. Or it may get pushed out. It's definitely hot right now coming out of the vents. Turn this to AC. See if that valve comes out. So we went down this. Oh yeah, came out. Now we should have a cold air out of the vents. Oh, we definitely got cold air out of the vents. So definitely a lot colder. Oh, see our temperature dropped too. Okay guys, so we're gonna take the car for a ride. This needs a new windshield wiper motor. I unplugged the windshield wiper switch and they kept going off, so I just left the windshield wipers off. So we're at 186, so I'm going to take it for a drive down the road and we'll see what happens here. Hopefully everything's good. Well guys, I've been driving the car. The temperature's been rock steady. See that? 206. I think the highest is always like 208 when I was in the light. So I'm pretty happy with that. I had the AC on, so I think the fans are on the whole time though, but at the shop I had it running without the fans on. So I think this is pretty awesome. So I'm gonna get it back to the shop and then I guess tomorrow we'll take it for another test drive. Okay guys, so I got a new motor sitting on here. Look at that, it's not rotating. Let's go and turn our wipers on in here. Look, now it's on. See it spinning? Let's turn it back off. So there we go. So I'm gonna get this all taken apart and we'll get this motor on. Okay guys, got back with the Cadillac. It just stayed at like 194 the whole time. Let's see, zoom. Look at this. Look at that, rock steady that whole drive. Look at the time of driving. 43 minutes, perfectly fine. So I hope you guys like this one. And look, I fixed the washer squirter. Everything works now. There was a hole in the hose over there, and or tube, so I slid a hose over, put new wipers on. Everything works. They shut off. You got all your speeds: high, medium. What's delay? There's medium. There's high, and there's off. And you got mist. Look at that. So, hope you guys like this one. See you later.